Good morning children. Welcome to your maths class. Children, today we'll start chapter number 3, subtraction. Here is an example I will explain you. Now here we have two numbers, 65 and 48. We have to subtract 48 from 65. So 65 is called the number and 48 we have to subtract from 65. So 48 is called the subtrahend. And whatever the answer will get after subtracting, that is called the difference. Now let's solve this. In the ones place we have 5 and 8. So from 5 we cannot subtract 8 because 5 is smaller than 8. So we have to borrow 1 10 from tens place. So it will become now 15 and here we got 5 because 1 10 will be less. So in the ones place we have now 15 and we have to subtract 8. So let's subtract this 8 from 15. So we got here 7 and in the ones place we have 5 and 4. We have to subtract 4 from 5. So after subtracting we got here 1. So the answer we got here 17. So 17 is called the difference. Now children, one more example we have here. We have two numbers 92 and 36. So here we have to subtract 36 from 92. In the ones place we have 2 and 6. From 2 we cannot subtract 6. So we have to borrow from the tens place. So now here we got 12 and here 1 10 will be less. So here we have 8. Now let's subtract 6 from 12. So after subtracting we got here 6. And in the tens place we got 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer we got here 56. So 56 is called the difference. Now children, come to your maths classwork notebook. Children, this is your classwork notebook. Now from the top side, leave this line, write down chapter 3, subtraction. Then leave one line and in the next line, leave two boxes. Then write down question number 1. Subtract the following. Now after that leave one line and then in the next line leave two boxes. Write question number A. TO and after TO leave this line for writing the borrowing. Now after that write down 54 minus 28. That means we have to subtract 28 from 54. Now let's solve this. In the ones place we have 4 and 8. From 4 we cannot subtract 8. So we have to borrow 1 10 from the tens place. So after borrowing we have 14 in the ones place and here 1 10 will be less. So here we have 4 tens. So now from 14 we can subtract 8. So after subtracting we got here 6 and in the tens place we have 4 minus 2. After subtracting we got here 2. So the answer we got here 26. So 26 is called the difference. Now children, question number B, C and D. You have to solve by your own and do this work in your maths classwork notebook. Thank you children.